Hello students, welcome back to all. In the last video, we discussed about some rules regarding the IUPAC nomenclature, right? How to write the names of some compounds. In today's video, we will discuss about some compounds, how to write their names. So here, the first example is see, what is the name of this compound? So, 1, 2, here at the second position there is a chlorine atom. 3, 4. So the name of the compound is 2-chloro-butane, right? See here, this is first position, 2, 3 and 4. So at the second position there is a chlorine atom. That is why 2-chloro-butane. So this is the substitute and this is the word root and this is suffix, right? Let us see the second one. So by applying the rules, we are doing the examples. So the second one is this is the second one. So now let us see what is the name of this compound. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the total number of 6 carbon atoms are there. So that is why it is obviously hex. And here there are no there is no suffix and at the same time there is no prefix. But here one double bond is there. So obviously the double bond is present at the either 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, either 6th position or in the second wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here there is a rule that while the unsaturation is present in any compound, then the lowest value is given to the double bond or triple bond. So obviously here the name of the compound is hexane and the ene is present at the 1 ene. Here X1 ene is the name of the given compound. So let us see the third one. CH3, CH2, 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 CH, CH2, CH3 and CH3. So now what is the name of that compound? So here there are two ways of possible there are two long chains. So here if suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is 6. If you are counting in this way 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So obviously this is treated as the parent chain because it contains long number of carbon atoms. So obviously it is the parent chain. So here the total number of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 compounds are there. So obviously its name is hept. All are single bonds only. So that is why it is heptane. And here one substitute is present at the here. See, if suppose if we are giving number like this, the substituent getting 5-methyl heptane. But we have a rule that when the substitute is present in the compound, then it should be given the lowest value. So obviously if the number is giving from here to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then here at the third carbon atom there is a substituent. So obviously its name is 3-methyl heptane. Is it clear? See here there is a rule that When any substituent or alkyl group is present in the compound, then you should be given the lowest value. So that is why here at the third position there is a methyl group. So obviously its name is 3-methyl heptane. So now let us see some more examples. Now let us see the fourth one. CH3, CH2, CH, CH2, CH3, CH, CH3 and CH3. So this is the compound. Now what is the name of this compound? Let us see. See here, this is the compound. If suppose here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you are counting in this way 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here the parent chain should in any possible way the parent chain is containing only 5 compounds. So that is why obviously this is the parent chain. So it is containing 5 carbons. So that is why it is pentane, because all are single bonds only here. So obviously the name is pentane. Now let us see, there are 2 substituents are there. So this is first one and this is second one. So one is methyl group and second one is ethyl group. Now how should we given the number here? If you are giving number from here to left to right, so here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So obviously the names, the substituents will come at third and fourth position. If you are giving number from right to left, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So then we get the substituent at second and third position. So we have a rule that if any substituents will come there, then it should be given the lowest value. So that is nothing but least sum value. So if 2 plus 3 is 5, 3 plus 4 is 7. So what is the lowest value here? 5. So obviously we have to giving number from right to left. Now at the second position 2 methyl, second position methyl is there, and at the third position 3 ethyl is there, pentane. But here according to the alphabetical order we are writing 3 ethyl, 2 methyl, pentane. So this is the correct name for the given compound. Now let us see the another example. Let us see the fifth one. So the given compound is CH3, CH3, CH2, CH3. So now what is the name of the compound? So obviously 1, 2, 3, 4. So obviously this is butane, right? And here one methyl group is there. Obviously it is presenting at the second position, because if you are counting from here to there, so 1, 2, 3, 4. So obviously 2 methyl butane is the correct answer. Now let us see the next one. So now let us see the sixth one. So let us write the name of the compound. So here 4 carbon atoms are there, obviously but, right? So here one substituent is there, one unsaturation is there. See, if any unsaturation, double bond or triple bond or any substituent will present, then we have to give priority to the obviously double bond. So the numbering will be like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. So at the third position methyl group is there. So that is why here 3 methyl but 1 ene, because at the first carbon there is a double bond. So obviously its name is 3 methyl but 1 ene. So this is the name of the given compound. Now let us see the second one, next one. Now let us see the seventh one. See here CH3, CH, CH3, CH, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. See, what is the name of the compound? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So obviously hexane, because all are single bonds only. Now there are two substituents will there at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So obviously 2, comma 3. Here we have to write the word dimethyl, because here two groups will present. Two methyl groups will there. So that is why we are writing the word 2, comma 3 dimethyl hexane. So this is the name of the given compound. So now let us see the next one. Now let us see the seventh one. CH3, CH, double bond CH, single bond C, triple bond CH. See, if you want to write the examples, you have to pause the video and write down the notes. See here, in this compound, one double bond and one triple bond is there. So obviously the numbering will be given from right to left. So obviously 5 compounds are there. So obviously it is pent. There is no substituent and no other functional group. So pent, here at the third carbon double bond is there. So pent 3 and at the first carbon triple bond is there. Pent 3 and 1 ine. See here also we are using least sum rule only. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. When we are giving number from like this 3, 4, 5, at 3 plus 5 is equals to 8. So that is why here we are applying, while we are discussing all the examples, we are applying the same rule. When there is no functional group is there, only double bond, triple bond is there, and also substituents will present in the given compounds, then we are using least sum rule. So this is what about we discussed in the previous video. If you have any doubts regarding these rules, you just go through the previous video. Okay. Now let us see the another example. Now let us see the ninth one. So CH2, CH2, chlorine is there, and CH3. So what is the name of the given compound here? So here there are 4 carbon atoms, all are single bonds only. So butane. Obviously here chlorine atom will be at the, if you are giving number from right to left, it will be 4. But there are no any other things, so that is why we are writing 1-chloro-butane. We are giving number from left to right. Now let us see the 10th question. So CH3, single bond CH, double bond CH, single bond CH, single bond C, triple bond OH, CH, sorry. So what is the number? So what is the name? Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Obviously hex. And here there are no suffix and there are no substituent, no functional group, but here one double bond and triple bond is there. So we have to given the number from right to left. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See here at the first position triple bond is there, and at the fourth position double bond is there. So obviously 4 in 1 ine. See here why we are mentioning 4 in first, because according to alphabetical order, so 4 in 1 9. So obviously its name is hex 4 in 1 9. So these are some examples what we discussed the previous class theory. We are applying the rules in today's class. Now let us see some more examples. Now let us see another one. 11th one. CH3, CH2, C double bond O, CH3. So here 4 carbons are there. Obviously but, all are single bonds only. So that is where we have to write butane. Now here one functional group is given. So this is ketone. So functional group is given, then it should be given number to the least value only. So we are numbering from right to left. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Butane 2-one, because at the second position functional group is there. So that is why butane 2-one. Now let us see another example, 12th one. CH3, CH2, 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 COOH. See here, what is the name of the given compound? So here numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See here, while C is present in the functional group, so here this C is it is a functional group, and here COOH is a carboxylic acid. This is also functional group, right? So when C is given in the functional group, then it is also counted and it is giving the first priority here. So that is why here this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So numbering should be given from right to left because it is a functional group and it is also counted as a carbon and it is giving the priority. So that is why the functional group is giving, numbering is giving in this way. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Obviously pent, ane, all are single bonds. Pentane plus COOH, carboxylic acid, it is a functional group. When carboxylic acid is there, so we have to write it as pentoic acid. So because it is carboxylic acid, so that is why it is oic acid. So here E is removed. Obviously its name is becomes pentanoic acid. Is it okay? Now let us see one last example for today's class. So the last example, CH, triple bond C, single bond CH, double bond C, double bond CH, single bond COOH. So this is the compound. Here also same thing, functional group is there and it is containing carbon. So it is also treated as a carbon and it is giving the first priority. So obviously numbering should be given from left to right, sorry, right to left. So there are total number of 6 carbons are there, so that is why hex. And here double bonds and triple bonds will be there. So at second and third position there is a double bond. So hex 2, 3 we have to write diene because 2 double bonds will be there. So that is why we are using the word diene. And at the fifth position triple bond is there, 5-ine, and at the first position functional group is there. So functional group means this is a carboxylic acid, so obviously its name will be oic acid. So what is the name of the compound means hex 2, 3 diene and 5-ine 1 oic acid. So this is name of the given compound. So today's class is ended with it, and in the next video we will discuss some more examples and some more new points regarding the IUPAC nomenclature. Okay, thank you all of you.